Hello, Namaste, and once again, welcome to your channel Fitness Journey with रीना सिंह। फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस तेज़ी के दौर में, भागम भाग के दौर में, अगर हम अपनी फिटनेस के लिए थोड़ा भी कुछ कर पाते हैं तो यकीन मानिए हम किसी वॉरियर से कम नहीं हैं। आज का मेरा योगा फ्लो भी वॉरियर पोजेस से रिलेटेड है। वॉरियर 1, वॉरियर 2, वॉरियर 3, रिवर्स वॉरियर एंड हम्बल वॉरियर। वॉरियर पोज दिखने में आसान ज़रूर दिखता है, बट अगर इसको आप सही अलाइनमेंट के साथ करें, करेक्ट पॉस्चर्स के साथ करें, तो ये किसी इंटेंस पोज से कम नहीं है। दिस इज़ वेरी चैलेंजिंग पोज। आप हर पॉस्चर में आप फील करेंगे देयर इज़ अ ग्रेस, देयर इज़ अ पावर, देयर इज़ अ स्ट्रेंथ, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, बैलेंस, कॉन्फिडेंस एंड अ हम्बलनेस, काइंडनेस। तो आइए अपने अंदर की आवाज़ को सुनिए और मेरे साथ मैट पर आ जाइए। प्रैक्टिस फॉर दी वॉरियर पोजेस फ्लो। So friends, for the right stance, come on your all fours first. For the right gap, inhale, exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up, left leg in between your arms. Drop your heel should be in one line. Knee up, then your heel and knee should be in one line. Keep your hips forward, keep pushing your back foot on the mat and just complete engagement of your body. Now slowly raise your both arms up, palm together and raise up your arms. Warrior 1. Hold for 5 breaths. Now from here, come into the warrior 2. So slowly bring down your palm parallel to the floor. Gaze on your front palm. Feel the confidence. Feel the power, grace of this posture. This is a very nice posture for your frozen shoulder. Now from here, come into the warrior 3. So bring your both palms together again. Same stance. Now lift your heels up, backward, and engage your core. Lift your back leg up and come into the one line warrior 3. Keep stretching your toes and your palm forward and backward. Square. Now for the reverse warrior, again take your leg back, come into the warrior 1, warrior 2, place your right palm on your shin bone, look at your left palm and bring it reverse. Keep Keep gazing. Reverse warrior pose. Keep your arms straight, both sides, hip facing front. Now from the reverse warrior, coming to the humble warrior. So take your arm back, interlock your both palms, engage your core, and just bend forward. And put down your head on the mat. Now slowly come back and straight to both legs. Now from the right side, turn your feet position, hip forward facing, heel, press your complete foot, back foot on the mat. Keep engaging your back leg. Now bend your knee so that your heel and your knee can be in one line. Your thigh can be parallel to the floor. Spine back, push back, hip forward. Raise your both arms up, warrior one. Keep using your thumb. Hold for 5 breaths. Now from here, warrior two. So keep gazing your front palm, hands parallel to the floor, hip facing forward. Now from warrior two to warrior three. So bring your both palms together, lift your heels up, engage your core, bend forward, and then come into the warrior three. Keep your complete body in one hand. Now for the warrior, reverse warrior. So again, drop your back leg. Place your left palm on your shin bone. Keep gazing on your right palm. Palm over your head. Reverse warrior. Hip facing forward. Now from the reverse warrior, come to the humble warrior. So take your arm back. Interlock your both palm and bend forward. Bend forward. Take your head near to your right foot. Go maximum as per your lift. And slowly come back. So friends, these postures look easy. But believe me, these are not easy. These are very challenging, very intense, very graceful postures. So practice this flow, hold for 5 or 10 breaths and feel the power. And if you like the flow, then please hit the video, like the video, share my video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching me. Take care of yourself.